Welcome to chemistry classes. Today we are going to discuss about mole concept. Let us see how we can interpret the mole concept. Okay. Let us see the word mole is derived by mole. Is introduced by Oswald. Mole introduced by Oswald. The word mole introduced by Oswald. Okay, is it clear? Now let us see. 1 mole means Avogadro number of molecules. That means 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules, ions, atoms or any other entities is said to be 1 mole. Okay. It is equal to gram atomic weight of an element. Okay. It is equal to gram molecular weight. అటామిక్ వెయిట్ గ్రాముల్లో చెప్తే దాని గ్రామ్ అటామిక్ వెయిట్ అంటారు. అలాగే మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్ గ్రాముల్లో చెప్తే దాని గ్రామ్ మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్ అంటారు. ఓకే. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 22.4 liters of any gas at STP. 22.4 liters of any gas at STP is also to be considered as 1 mole of gas. Okay. It is equal to 4 decimeter cube of any gas at STP. Okay. Since 1 liter is equal to 1 decimeter cube. Okay. And 22,400 ml of any gas at STP. This is also equal to 1 mole. And 22,400 cc of any gas at STP. This is also equal to 1 mole. Now, I would like to discuss in detail for each and every relation with mole. Okay. Now, let us see. Number of atoms present in one mole S8 molecule. 1 mole S8 molecule. If you find such type of problems, here a little bit of confusion will be for learners. Okay, అంటే ఫస్ట్ టైం మోల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ చదువుతుండే వాళ్ళకి అంటే ఈ మోల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అనేది ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ అంటే 8th క్లాస్ నుంచి అప్ టు నెట్ స్లెట్ రాసే వాళ్ళ వరకు ఇది ఉపయోగం. సో మిగతా వాళ్ళని మనం పక్కన పెడితే ఫస్ట్ టైం మోల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ చదివే వాళ్ళు అంటే 11th స్టాండర్డ్ పిల్లలు కానీ జూనియర్ ఇంటర్ పిల్లలు కానీ కొన్ని ఆస్పెక్ట్స్లో ఇక్కడ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయ్యే అవకాశాలు ఉంటాయి. దానివల్ల నేను కొంచెం డీటెయిల్గానే వెళ్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకేనా? సో నౌ లెట్ us see the problem. Number of atoms present in 1 mole S8 molecule. 1 mole S8 molecule. So now while solving this one, we have to remember the relation between mole and entities. Okay? We know that 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 entities. Okay? ఆ ఎంటిటీస్ అనేది మనం ఏదనుకోవాలి అనేది దేన్ని బట్టి డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుందంటే క్వశ్చన్ లో అడిగిన దాన్ని బట్టి డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? సో హియర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆటమ్స్ దే హావ్ ఆస్క్డ్. Number of atoms they have asked. From where we have to find the atoms? 1 mole S8 molecules. Okay, 1 mole S8 molecules. Here the atomicity plays vital role. What is meant by atomicity? Atomicity means number of atoms present in the molecule. ఒక మాలిక్యూల్ లో ఉండే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆటమ్స్ నే మనం ఏమంటామంటే అటామిసిటీ అంటాం. ఓకేనా? సో హియర్ అటామిసిటీ ఆఫ్ S8 molecule is equal to 8. Atomicity of S8 molecule is equal to 8. If you want to calculate the atoms present in 1 mole S8 molecule, then for such molecules, number of atoms is equal to atomicity into Avogadro number. What is Avogadro number? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 is called as Avogadro number. Okay. Now this is the concept for getting number of atoms present in the given molecule. Okay. So we know that for S8 molecule the atomicity is equal to 8. Then number of atoms in S8 molecule is equal to number of atoms is equal to 8 into Avogadro number. 8 into Avogadro number. It is equal to 8 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Okay. These much of atoms will be present in 1 mole of S8 molecule. 1 mole of S8 molecule. Okay. Now let us go through the another problem which is related to how many liters of dioxygen, how many liters of dioxygen required to get how many liters of dioxygen required to get 1 mole H2O. 1 mole H2O. This is the question. How many liters of dioxygen required to get 1 mole H2O? Okay. Here, let us see. We have to go through balanced equation here. So, H2 plus half O2 gives rise to H2O. Okay. Here hydrogen is gas, oxygen is gas. H2O also would be in vapor state at this condition. So, this is the thing. So, they have given 1 mole H2O. 1 mole H2O means how many liters are there? 1 mole H2O means 22.4 liters. 22.4 liters. Okay. 22.4 liters. How many liters of H2 required here? How many moles of H2 is here? 1 mole of H2. We know that 1 mole of any gas at STP is equal to 22.4 liters. Okay. 1 mole of any gas at STP is equal to 22.4 liters. Okay. So the same concept again we have to remind in case of oxygen also. What would be the volume of 1 mole oxygen? 22.4 liters. What would be the volume of 1 mole oxygen means 22.4 liters. How many moles of oxygen is here? Half mole of oxygen. Half mole of dioxygen is here. How many liters it would be? 11.2 liters. 11.2 liters. So answer for this question is 11.2 liters dioxygen is required. Okay, this is the another concept. Here what is the main concept we have to remind means 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters of a gas at STP. So this is the concept we have used here. Okay. Let us see another model. How many moles of calcium carbonate CaCO3 required to get 22.4 liters CO2. CO2 means you know that carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay. Now here also at first we need to go through balanced equation. What is the balanced equation to prepare to get CO2 from CaCO3 means CaCO3 on thermal decomposition gives CaO plus CO2. CaCO3 is in solid state. CaO is also in solid state. Only CO2 in gaseous state. Okay. How much CO2 is released here in balanced equation? 22.4 liters. Okay. How many moles of CaCO3 has been decomposed here? 1 mole. Okay, so the answer is 1 mole CaCO3. 1 mole CaCO3 is required to get 22.4 liters carbon dioxide gas by decomposition. Okay. Like this, I will give several problems in the form of link in description. Please try to follow that. Okay. Thank you.